monkey, bird, umbrella, sun.
It swims in water. Is what it is.
It's a fish.
It fly in the sky. Guess what it is.
It's a bird.
It is king of jungle.
It's a lion.
It shine in the sky.
It's a star.
It used to travel.
It's a bus.
We live in it.
It's a home.
It gives us heat and shine.
It's a sun.
It is round and colorful.
It's a ball.
It used for drinking tea.
It's a cup.
It live on a tree.
It's a monkey.
It used in rainy season.
It's an umbrella.
It gives us fruit and flowers.
It's a tree.
It is a national bird.
It's a peacock.
It is a king of fruit.
It's a mango.
It is cold. We eat it in summer season.
It is an ice cream.
It used for writing.
It's a pen.
Thanks for watching.